Você. Oi. Živijo. Aha, ja, sem videl, ja.
Povrtile so vse, no. Če se na pa nazaj pogledaj, če je ključ. Če imaš baterijo.
Ja, noter, ja. Odlično. Odlično, tam je pol naslednje vrste, evo.
Ja, to.
No, evo, pa je še eden manj. Boste imeli zdaj prostora, tle se bo kar odprlo, ja.
Sve povsod bo prostor.
Luče so še dobro.
So še cele, ja. Lepe. Tudi izgleda kar ne preslep tle. Dobro, tle spodje je malo. Ja, to bo za pogledati.
Se mi zdi, da... Številka.
Tle je videti, ne, tudi. G2, tu je mislim, da je tavžanc tu motor. Tu, G2.
A mislim, da...
Aha, za tisto.
dokumente, jaz ne vem, ali so na desni, ali so na levi. Kaj ne vidim. Veš, tu je 20-30 let stane.
Tu bo lepo postopoma vse za razkopati in pogledati.
Da, zida DC.
Tam se je pa zgleda, da se je zavalil.
Da se je zavalil,
Ki je tle kar... Ja, vrata bi bila še za rešt. Ja, te ne so slabe.
In tu so mali.
Dobre. All right, guys, we got another one. This one, obviously, another Mark 1 4-door. And yeah, as you can see, it has been crashed quite heavily. This must have been a good story, to say the least. Underside is much healthier than we're used to by now. And also the inside, you can see the dashboard here is not cracked at all. Also the carpet is in pretty good condition, this center console, and the dash is also the 6 clock one. So this one, I'm not really sure, but I think it will go for parts because there, as you can see, the doors don't close, and yeah, it is quite heavily damaged. So you know, if I were to try and get this one, you know, straight in the appropriate shape, it would be quite a challenge. As you can see, the whole chassis is kind of bent and everything. So yeah, I'm pretty sure this one will go for parts. If we take a quick look here, oh look, automatic support. By this plate here, I think the engine is G2, so it's 1100 cc engine. And yeah, that's pretty much it. One interesting thing here is that we got this compressor here and these big horns. I wonder how those sound like. So that's pretty much it. As you can see, the procedure here will be just the same as with all the other Escorts. I have to get it on the wheels, you know, onto some solid wheels, and I'll just put it away for the time. Once I get to disassembling it, I will show you some more details. But that's actually it for now. I got quite some stainless here. If you are wondering, those aren't Escort parts. I just visited the scrapyard along the way, so this will be useful for some exhausts or something like that. So that's it. I'm just gonna go ahead and get this one off of the recovery vehicle. And oh, also check this out. This is kind of a reverse or fog light. Check out the size of this one. Also, the lights in the rear are in pretty good condition, as well as the boot lid. And yeah, here you can see all the emblems and everything are in pretty good condition. So that's it. Now let's just put this down and we'll go from there. Huh? Ja, er is live van, hè? Great! A successful first ride. I'll have to pull it a little to its companions right there.